My apartment walls make strange sounds at exactly 1:36 a.m. I just discovered the terrifying reason why. I moved into my new apartment 3 weeks ago. Rent was surprisingly cheap for downtown Portland, but I didn't question it, just grateful to find anything affordable after my divorce. The first night was normal. I unpacked my IKEA furniture, ordered Domino's, and fell asleep watching Netflix. On the second night, I woke up suddenly at 1:36 a.m. according to my digital alarm clock. There was a faint tapping inside my bedroom wall. Tap, 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 like someone gently knocking from inside the drywall. I figured it was just old pipes or the building settling. Every apartment I've lived in had weird noises. The next night, same thing. Exactly 1:36 a.m. This time the tapping had a rhythm to it. 3 quick taps, pause, 2 slow taps, pause, repeat. I mentioned it to my neighbor across the hall while getting my Amazon package. "Oh, you're in 3B? That's why they couldn't rent it out for months," she said, then quickly went inside. By the 5th night, the tapping got louder. I pressed my ear against the wall and heard what sounded like whispering beneath the taps. I couldn't make out words, but it definitely wasn't pipes. I called my landlord the next morning. "Mr. Jenkins, is there any way to access inside the walls in apartment 3B? He got real quiet. "Why would you ask that?" His voice sounded shaky. "Just hearing some strange noises. Probably nothing," I said. Don't try to open the walls." He hung up. That night, I took a video on my phone when the tapping started. Watching it the next morning, I noticed something I hadn't seen in the dark. The wallpaper bulged outward slightly with each tap, like something was pushing from inside. I searched the apartment history online and found a news article from 7 years ago. A construction worker disappeared while renovating the building. They suspected he'd stolen equipment and skipped town. Last night, I couldn't take it anymore. After the tapping started at 1:36 a.m., I grabbed a hammer from my toolbox and smashed a hole in the wall. The tapping stopped instantly. I shined my phone flashlight into the hole and saw something that made me drop my phone. Not pipes, not wiring, an eye, bloodshot and blinking. Then a finger pushed through the hole, its nail yellow and overgrown. I'm riding this from my car in the Walmart parking lot. I'm never going back to that apartment, but I keep checking my watch. It's 1:33 a.m. now. In 3 minutes, my dashboard radio started making a tapping sound yesterday. I think whatever was in the walls followed me. And I think it's under my car seat now, tapping to get out.